Greetings to you. Welcome to Nayi Zindagi. The thought for today is the salt of the earth. Matthew chapter 5 verses 13 says, "You are the salt of the earth, but if the salt loses its saltiness, how can it be salty again? It no longer good for anything except to be thrown out and trampled by men." What did Jesus mean? Salt was one of the most common substance in ancient world. Roman soldiers were paid in salt and would revolt if they didn't get their ration. Indeed, our English word salary comes from the Latin word salarium, which literally means salt money. The expression, "the man is not worth his salt," is a reminder of high value that salt had in biblical times.
Salt has 5 primary uses. First, it's a seasoning, and almost everything you will eat any day will have some salt in it. Second, it's a preservative. Salt retards spoilage. It doesn't prevent the process of decay, but it slows it down and prevents its spread. Third, salt stings. Salt stings in an open wound, but it also saves one from gangrene. Fourth, salt gives strength. You can't live with sodium in your diet. Without it, your body quickly weakens. Fifth, salt creates thirst, causes you to crave something to drink.
In what sense does this apply to followers of Christ Jesus? We are to be the salt that flavors a tasteless world, and we are to be the salt that preserves a decaying world. Jesus had no illusions about this world. He knew its true character. It's like a piece of rotten meat, petrifying more and more each day. On every hand, we have the most advanced technology. Every day brings new breakthroughs in medicine, science, communication, and mass production. And yet, at the same time, the moral climate grows darker and darker. Friends, let there be no mistake. We are living in a morally decaying society. What does it take to stop the spread of evil? Salt. That's what Jesus was talking about. Salt stops the spread of moral evil and preserves society from total corruption.
Here is the exciting part. It doesn't take too much salt to do the job. Just a little bit in the right place will do the trick. Remember, God was ready to forgive Sodom if there were at least 10 righteous people found. But as it turned out, Abraham couldn't even find 10 people who were righteous. So God prepared to destroy the city. But before he could do anything, he moved Lot and his wife out of the place. I repeat, it doesn't take much salt to do the job. Being the salt of the earth means acting as a purifying agent to hinder the spread of evil. We who follow Jesus Christ are to be a moral disinfectant, stopping the evil. We are to be the conscience of the community, speaking out for what it is true and right. God bless you.